We eat so many times a day, right? A lot of the time, we probably don't even think about it. But what if a tiny 2-second ritual could completely change that whole experience? Well, today, we're going to dive into the amazing power of a simple prayer, or dua, said right before a meal.
Seriously, just think about that for a second. 2 seconds, that's it. A tiny little pause before you take that first bite. Could that really change your relationship with food? That's the powerful idea we're exploring today, and we're going to unpack exactly how it all works. Because this isn't just about mumbling some words you've memorized. It's about taking a conscious, really powerful pause. It's this moment to just center yourself and bring some real intention to an act we do on autopilot pretty much every single day. So, what exactly is a dua? Well, in Islam, it means prayer, but it's thought of as something so much more intimate than that. It's seen as a direct, personal, and really profound conversation with God.
Okay, so let's get into it. First things first, let's take a look at the sacred script itself in its original, absolutely beautiful form. So here it is, the prayer in Arabic script. Now, before we even get to what it sounds like or what it means, just take a second to look at that. The elegance and the flow of the calligraphy, it just has this beauty all its own, doesn't it?
Now, let's hear how it actually sounds. We're going to make this super accessible so anyone can feel comfortable saying it.
Okay, so here's the transliteration, which basically just helps us make the right sounds. It's pronounced like this: Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Let's try that one more time. Just let it roll off the tongue. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. And when you break it down, it's really just two simple parts. The first part is Bismillahi, and the second is wa ala barakatillah. You put them together and you get Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. See? It has this really nice natural rhythm to it. All right, so we've seen the words, we've heard the sounds, but what does it all mean? This is where it gets really powerful. The translation is just so simple, but at the same time, it's incredibly profound. It's in the name of Allah and with the blessings of Allah. It's like a declaration and a request, all packed into one short, beautiful sentence. And this really breaks down those two core ideas. In the name of Allah, that's all about starting with intention, right? Acknowledging where this food comes from. Then, and with the blessings of Allah, that's about inviting a positive outcome. That word for blessings, barakah, is so important here. It means more than just nourishment. It's about inviting an increase in spiritual goodness and contentment from the food you're about to eat. So in this one simple phrase, you're really doing three powerful things at once. You're acknowledging the true source of your food, you're expressing deep gratitude for it, and you're actively inviting that barakah, that deep sense of blessing and abundance, right into your meal. So let's bring this all together. What's the real-world impact of taking this 2-second pause? Why does it actually matter in our busy lives? And this right here, this is the magic of it. Saying this dua completely transforms eating. It goes from being this mindless routine thing we have to do, and it becomes a mindful spiritual practice. It turns just, consumption into a genuine connection. And a simple meal becomes a moment of real, heartfelt gratitude. And that really leaves us with a bigger question to think about. If this small prayer can so beautifully transform something like a meal, what other parts of our lives, the parts we do on autopilot, are just waiting to be elevated by a simple moment of intention?